Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are still doing April dupes all month long because a long time ago I thought April Fool's April dupes, how cute. So we do dupes videos all month of April. I have purchased all of these products with my own money. None of this is sponsored. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes, but I think that for money reasons, ingredient reasons, brand reasons, dupes can offer the buyer a lot more variety, which can sometimes be good. But again, I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I do have a playlist. We have been doing April dupes for quite some time, so if you are looking for a particular dupe or just want to browse some dupes out in the wild, go check out the playlist. I have many videos over there that you can check out. So for today's dupe, we are testing the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm Mango flavored against the e.l.f. Squeeze Me More Lip Balm in Mango. This is actually a duo that's mango and watermelon, but the watermelon has already made its way to my desk with my computer because I just needed the mango for right now. Here is the packaging for both of them, and we are going to talk about each of these individually. Let's start with the Laneige. This is what the product looks like out of the box. This is $19 for 0.35 ounces or 10 grams. It comes in 9 flavors and or colors. It boasts a lightweight moisture-rich lip balm powered by Korean skincare. The key ingredients are shea butter and seed butter. I don't know how to pronounce that, so sorry. That is a little bit about this. I'm unclear about how it's powered by Korean skincare. It didn't really on the website dive into that, but that was one of the claims on the website. Next, this is the e.l.f. Squeeze Me More Lip Balm. This is the only duo that they offer with the watermelon and mango, which is $8, but you can purchase other shades or flavors or scents individually for $4 for 0.21 ounces or 6 grams. So slightly less than the Laneige, but you're going to be getting a like $15 savings since individually these are $4, whereas the Laneige are $19. These come in 5 different scents or flavors, and it has one duo pack for $8. I do not believe that you can get the watermelon or mango individually. That only comes in the duo pack. This boasts that it has hydrates with sheer tint, squeeze tube for easy application, key ingredients, shea butter, hyaluronic acid. This is vegan and cruelty free. You can find the e.l.f. Squeeze Me More lip balms at elf.com, major retailers, pretty much anywhere where e.l.f. is sold. The Laneige lip balm, I believe you could find on their website as well as Sephora. I forgot to mention where you could find it. I also don't know if Laneige is cruelty-free or vegan. I don't see anything on their box about it, and I also was having a hard time finding things out on their website if they're cruelty-free or vegan. Undetermined for that. So these are the packaging for both of them. These are the applicators for both of them. This is the e.l.f., this is the Laneige. They both have like these plastic hard silicone applicators. So yeah, we're going to swatch them on my hand. This is the e.l.f. and this is the Laneige. The Laneige is a little bit more creamy, whereas the e.l.f. is a little bit more balmy texture. They both do have like that sheer tint. The Laneige is a little bit more yellow, whereas the e.l.f. is a little bit more of like an orangey yellow. But they do both have that kind of same sheer tint. Again, the difference mainly being that the Laneige is a little bit more creamy and the e.l.f. is a little bit more like balmy, I want to say kind of like a gelled texture, even though I don't think that's necessarily correct in saying. But that's probably because the key ingredients in the e.l.f. are the shea butter and hyaluronic acid, whereas in the Laneige it's the Maru butter and the shea butter. They also both do have a scent. I'm trying to see if they have like a mango scent. The Laneige is a little bit more of a mild scent, whereas the e.l.f. is a little bit more of like a citrusy mango. Anyways, if you are unfamiliar with how we do dupes on my channel, I like to do them side by side. So we are going to do e.l.f. on this side of my lips, and we are going to do the Laneige on this side of my lips. So this is what they look like on. They're just like a sheer gloss. These are intended for like moisture. They're intended like a chapstick kind of, but like more on the balmy side. They do feel very, very similar on the lips. As I said with the hand swatches, I do think that the Laneige is slightly more like creamy. Like it does have that slightly more buttery feel to it, whereas the e.l.f. has that like more balmy kind of like gelled feeling to it. You can also see I applied a lot on the Laneige side. I'm kind of getting like little drips, so a little bit goes a long way. They both feel very like extra moisturizing and like very, very nice. Since they both have the shea butter in it, they're both going to do the same things, and the color barely shows up on the lips. So I guess unless you're using one that has a little bit more of like an intense tint, which I would assume would be kind of like the like pinks, you know, I really don't think you're going to see the actual tint of the gloss on your lips. It would be more of a scent. Neither of them have a flavor to them, like I'm not getting anything in my mouth from them, but they do have like that slight hint of mango scent, but it's not overpowering. Like I'm not getting it up into my nostrils. It wouldn't like cause me it would not cause a headache or any interference with like my actual smelling. The only difference is that like the Laneige is a little bit more of like I don't know how to explain it other than like a smooth, mild scent, whereas like the e.l.f. has a little bit more of like a bite, like a citrus to it, versus like a mild mango. But they feel the exact same. This one being the Laneige being $19 versus $4. Even at $8 for the duo pack, you're saving $8 if this is a money situation, and for an individual you're saving $15. So if you're looking at this purely for money, you know, you're saving $15. Yes, the e.l.f. is slightly little or smaller, but even if you had to buy 2 of these, which would be $8, you know, you're talking about still an $8 savings, and you're getting the same price. So I don't know. I will say I haven't smelled or tried any of the other Laneige, but in terms of this duo pack, I have used the watermelon. The watermelon is a very fake watermelon scent, and it is not my favorite, but I have enjoyed it using it on my lips. It has been extremely moisturizing, but I would say be careful with some of the scents for the e.l.f. because some of them can feel or smell very artificial, and that might not be necessarily your jam. And I haven't smelled or tried any of the other Laneige to know if they're like an artificial smell, if they're light, if they, you know, show up smell or anything like that. So I would just be careful in terms of picking the different scent, because Laneige has 9 colors or scents and e.l.f. has the 5. Just be mindful that some of the smells might be a little bit more artificial than others, but having them on, Like, I can barely even smell them just like applying them. So I think it's one of those things where it's very noticeable when you initially put it on, but then as you wear it and rub it in and like have it on your lips, the smell kind of dissipates almost immediately. So I would say that these are definitely a good dupe for each other. The last lip balm, like tinted lip balm that e.l.f. had was a dupe, I think, for the Glossier Balm.com, but it was impossible to get out of the tubes. This one, a lot more hydrating, a lot more easy to apply, and just more convenient. And again, it's reformulated to be a dupe for the Laneige. Yeah, like, they feel the exact same and look the exact same. I would say, again, for money purposes, savings of $15 or $8, you can't go wrong. Have you guys tried the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm or the e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm? Let me know down in the comment section below. I will link these down in the description box below, so if you want to try them out, you can check them out on your own time. If you have another dupe for the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, let me know down in the comment section below as well. I always love a good recommendation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.